G'day everyone. Wanted to give you a look at my new Yoda train carriage, as well as this new Yoda I got recently in Commander Gree in the Black series. Here's with his little walking stick there. I missed that in the box when I first got him out, so tiny. Just manages to hold it. And I wanted to also do a bit of a comparison with the 3 3/4 Commander Gree. Because yeah, there's a big difference. So let me just get this camera onto the stand, get my hands free and get a few other things out. Start with Commander Gree. When I first got him out, subconsciously I sort of knew something was not quite what I was expecting. But I just thought, oh yeah, looks great. But yeah, I recently got this little 3 3/4 Commander Gree out, and yeah, that's more what was in my memory than something like that. Here's another Commander Gree. I think that one's the best one. I think that was the original 2005 Revenge of the Sith one. This one came a little bit later. Like that antenna on the back. So the eyes, bit of a difference in the eyes. So yeah, this one's really completely different, almost. So yeah, I guess more of an earlier Clone Wars type of thing than Revenge of the Sith, which is kind of what I was expecting and hoping for. Little Yoda, just quickly give you another quick look at that little walking stick. His little robe's removable. I've taken that off. Got good articulation in the elbows there, and yeah, pretty good bit in the ankles. And you can get him to look like he's walking and stuff. Pretty good. I found the best way to put it in and out was just like that. Start with a skinny bit at the bottom and pull it down. So that's that head sculpt. Probably best suited for his little Jedi Council chair. I'm pleased with that for sure. And let's put that little lightsaber in his hand, and also let's change that head so a bit more aggressive, a bit more expressive is probably a better word. Nice. So I've always been a bit of a Yoda fan. I liked him more when he had a better sense of humour, like right in the beginning, when he was right into torches. Used to love torches when I was a kid. Okay, let's get this train moving. So that's the new Yoda carriage. And over the back, this is the one I got about a week or two ago. That one looks like it's lit, doesn't it? That green's so bright. But yeah, then there's no lighting on that one. That one's a glow-in-the-dark one, and it's not the full dome top as is, well, new purchases, but it's actually old stock. I'm not sure that they're making them anymore. But yeah, I really wanted to get the green one because I've got Darth Vader in red, green, blue. So all those are lit and all the rest are glow in the darks and don't have the full dome top. Lights, camera, action. Let's get this baby away. Oop. Lost the caboose. I have to stop that and swing it back around. There's the caboose, yeah. Little couplings come loose. So I'll just back her up, reattach it. So that's the Yoda carriage. Really nice. Okay, let's get it going forward again. The caboose is playing up. Okay. Crisis averted. So yeah, it's coming along nicely now. It's quite a long train. There's still more to come. Some very nice surprises too. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed looking at Yoda again, clone Commander Gree, and have a look at the Far, Far Away Express. Until my next Star Wars collection video, May the force be with you.